Hey everybody, this is Chris, and today we have a small box, and this is the Wingsland S6 4K, and we are going to do a little unboxing of this, but this is also going to be a giveaway on my channel. Any of the reviews that you see me do, not any of them, but a lot of them, are going to be giveaways as well. So once I review them and I'm done with them, a lucky viewer will have a chance to win one. So we're going to go over the specs of it, but this is the whole quad. This is everything in one little box. And the specs, the claims, we'll go over all of those. I don't know if you can read that, but I'm going to read it to you. 250 grams. Lightweight body design. This is the video specs, 13 megapixel, 4K, 30 frames per second, and then your 1080p is 60 frames per second. And then extended accessories are optional. I'll show you the accessories. They do have some pretty neat little accessories for this. If this turns out to be, say, a good indoor flyer, some of these accessories would be pretty fun to add to it. So this and the links for all the accessories and batteries such will also be in the bottom description of the video, along with a set of codes for you to get this at a discounted price through Banggood. And then one other claim we have here, and I apologize, I know nothing about this one, but it's something to look into. All around obstacle avoidance, optional. So I don't know how they bring that into play, because I've never seen all around obstacle avoidance as an option that you would add to the quad. So I don't really know anything about that one, and I didn't see anything about it in the purchasing specs. So the next one is vision positioning system. That would be your sensors underneath. High efficiency battery, and we'll go over the battery specs once we open it. Multi-control modes, those are your features within the app. And then it's got the powerful piloting app, they call it. And then multi-intelligence function and dual GPS systems. So that is the specs and claims of this quad. It's a nice little box. Serves as a decent little case. This is a little magnetic flap. We'll open her up. And then here's where I want to show you the accessories. You have what's called Boom Boom, a searchlight, an emoji display. Now the quad itself has a built-in flashlight on the front of it. So you can use that to shine some light if you're flying in a low light situation. But the Boom Boom, the name cracks me up, Boom Boom, attaches on top of the quad, as you can see there. And so would the searchlight. And then they have the emoji display, so you can do some LED emojis on there. That's cute. But the searchlight, that seems pretty interesting to me. And the Boom Boom gun, that seems very interesting to me. It shoots plastic balls. So little plastic paintball sized balls would shoot out of that. So if this turns out to be a good indoor flyer, that would be a good accessory to have and annoy your family with. But for children, remember, it's something small and a choke hazard. And then you have the quad itself, the drone. Now, this is a neat little case. This serves very well to go into you could possibly put this into your pocket, but you could easily just throw it in a backpack, and it's well protected. Nice, hard, protected case. Put that aside for now. See if we can, I'll step around here and get the contents. We have our guides. And then in the box, it's all labeled up here. It says screwdriver, and then your USB cable, battery, and then your charger. So you grab the little tab, pull that out, and there's your contents. So inside we have spare little set of props here. We have our charger, and this stuff is in there tight, so I might have a hard time. Goodness. They definitely packed it good. Okay. So there's our charger. And then what you'll do with this charger, you'll plug it into your USB cable. So you have a USB on one end and micro USB on the other, and plugs into there. And then we have our spare battery, which is also in there tight. You take your spare battery. There's the pins. There's the pins on that. You actually just take it, slide it in place, and charge it. So I have this one. It's got 2 batteries with it, so this will be a good giveaway. You got a spare battery plus the battery inside the quad itself. So again, I'm giving all this away. I'm going to do a future giveaway on my channel, and this one will come with 2 batteries. So that's the battery charger. And you got I don't even know if I'm going to try to get this. Oh, it came out. I thought it'd be tight. Got a little tool here that unscrews, and it's your screwdriver for your props. Try and get you on focus there. Back off a little. There you go. So that serves as a screwdriver. That's a neat one. Normally they just give you a cheap old junk low-grade screwdriver, and this one's got a hole in it so you can put it on a keychain if you like as well. That's pretty handy. So the specs on the battery, oh good, they actually put them so I can read them. I can even put them in the camera view here if we're in focus. 1400 milliamp hour battery, and that is a 7.6 volt. So nice little compact battery. Flight time on this, I think it's not written anywhere on the box, but from what I remember in reading it, the flight time I think is 10 minutes. So it's not a real long flight time. And generally when people say 10 minutes, it's sometimes less than that. So we could have less than 10 minutes flight time here, but I will do a flight of it on my channel to follow this one eventually. But right now I just wanted to kind of focus on the unboxing and show you the little accessories it comes with and show you the quad itself. So let's get to that part. So you have this case, you just unsnap it. And let me tell you what, this is actually a really, really well-built quad. When you grab it, it does not feel like a toy at all. It's very strong, well-made. So let's take it out, and it comes in 3 colors. This is black with the orange stripes here. But you can get this in a real bright orange, or you can get it in camouflage. So the link I'm going to provide, you'll see those options. But it's got nice chrome metal covers on your props, no plastic there at all. Very nice little strong accessory to your props. And you can see it's got a nice shiny gloss to it. It's really a good looking quad. The legs lock in nice. And then here you have your 2 sensors. And then you have your power button. And then you have your underbelly vents. And then you have what I would believe would be your speaker for your any type of beeping or anything like that. Or no, actually, no, I'm sorry. Remember, it has the accessories. When you put the accessories on, these are the power contacts. So when you plug in your boom boom gun, this right here will be your contacts to power that. And then with the app, you'll take the function of using the gun or the light or the emoji display panel. And then for the battery, it actually goes in pretty tight and hard from what I've tried here. I thought you would squeeze this and it would pop, but actually you kind of got to get your nails under there and pull hard on it. So once it's in there pretty good. You're not going to have any issues where you're flying and this pops out on you. But if you can see inside here, it's kind of hard to. You've got a nice metal shield up in here. So I mean, this thing, it's not just cheap plastic. This actually feels much better built than a DJI Mavic Mini does. I'm not saying it's better, but it feels better. It doesn't feel as toy-like. There's nothing about this at all that feels like a toy. So the build design and looks of it, I really like it. And I hope it turns out to be a good flyer. There's your camera on the front. And then right here is your little flashlight. That's what they call it, a flashlight. But I don't know if that will affect the video at night. But in a low light situation, it'll probably help better. So there's no sensors or anything on the front. It does give you the kind of look like it does have sensors, but there are none inside there. So here we have the Wi-Fi and the password. So you're gonna totally control this with an app, and I'll save that for whenever I do a flight video on it. We'll open up the app and show it. But for now, I just want to introduce this to you with a little unboxing, show you what all it comes with, and just announce to you that I will be doing a giveaway in the future on this one. So if you subscribe to my channel, or if you're already a subscriber, you have a good chance of in the future winning a giveaway for this, the Mavic Mini and the Xeno Pro. And then I will also have some others as well that I'm working on. So plenty of opportunities to get some good giveaways on my channel. And just simply click that subscribe button, hit that bell for future content notifications. And as always, give a thumbs up on your way out. And look forward to a future video where we do a little bit of a flight review on this, and that will complete my series with this. I'm just going to stop once I get to the flight review, and then we'll do the giveaway. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.